Hello everyone. Today I have some work to do with my ATV. I have to modify some points here. So what I will do, I will install turn signals. Can-Am, I don't know why they don't give turn signals with their ATVs. I will not take it out today because it's raining. I will work inside my garage. So let me show you what I received yesterday about the turn signals. Let me start with those LEDs. Those LEDs here. What I can do, let me show you. Let me put 12 volts on it and see the lights together. I did not write them before. So let's go positive, and negative. That's nice. If you are interested, I will put you the link of Amazon link. So those two turn signals. I bought this switch to put it on the handlebar. So I will use this one for left, right. I will not put a horn. I'm not interested to put a horn. But I bought this. Let me just put off the ATV. Oh my god, it's a lot noisy. Alright. So I bought this one to put it on the handlebar. And I bought this kit here. This one is a complete kit. Let me show it to you. The original one I bought, it came with those lights. I don't like them, so that's why I prefer to buy those longer one. I will show you where I'm thinking to install them. Then I will show you how I installed them already. So this package here, Amazon package as well. It's a complete kit. Come with the relay, all the wires, and it came with this switch, left, right, middle for off. This one is not bad, but it's like I don't have a place for it, so that's why I thought to add this one. But as I told you, I did not decide it yet. Let me just start to check what I have to put those switches. And let me take this LED light, the turn signal. Let me show it to you. I'm thinking to put them here. I can put a hole here, just a plastic, this one, nothing in behind, so it's easy. I can put them like that. The bad point, it's like they are exceeding outside the ATV, so there is a risk while I'm driving on the trails to hit them. I'm not sure if I can put them here, or I'm not finding any better place. Or put them like that maybe. No, I guess I will put them like that. So it's not a bad idea. As for the switch, what I'm worrying here, I don't have a place. You know, I put this one, I installed this one for my front LED lights. I don't have a place to add it here. Let me just see it with you. So there is no place here. It will be exceed outside. Maybe if I put it like that, but I cannot fix them. This is the question. So let me start by removing the seat, the back seat here. So start with this clip. You have to continue. You have to press it a little bit more. Don't stop it. He will stop like that. You have to press it a little bit more. Then the seat will go out. All right, like that. Let me give more lights here. So I will clean all those here. Even I clean my ATV at each time I use it. You still need it always to keep it clean. I like always my equipment to, even my car, I like always to keep them clean. I will use water after. I'll add water. Alright. Now for this seat here, very simple. You know, just to take it. You have another pin here. You have to push it and it will be released. Take it out. Now everything is more clear. Now the battery, let's just give me a second. I will find a place for my seat. So to make it fit here, I'll take the width of this one here. It's like I need to fit with the cables, give more space for the cables. Let's go maybe with 55 millimeters. 55 millimeters means, you know, this one is, in fact it's not 55, it's around 58. So if I take this one here, this short here, it's like I have 60 or 6 centimeters. Let me see if it can fit here. No, I have only 3. No place here. I have to forget about this option here. I have to forget about this option. I have to search for another place for my switch. So I guess I'm going back to put it here like that. Look nice, but I will just try to cover the cables from behind. I will put the tape, black tape, to protect them. I hope it will work. So another update. I put the relays here. The relay is here. The wires are going in the middle like all the other wires. Going here. I still have a gap, so I am using it. I guess I don't have any more place. I put 2 tie wraps here, and all the wires are protected. So I will drill here. I will start with a small hole. Just slowly, I don't want to hit something behind. Just to be sure I'm not doing any mistakes. Alright. Now let me make it bigger. More bigger, just to be ready to take bigger wires. It's just a plastic, huh? It's not a metal. It's just a plastic. Now it's good. The oil is ready. So I was obliged to remove the fuse because I've already connected before deciding to do this hole here. So the hole is ready. Let me start by pushing the wires. Now if I put them from here, yeah, I can put them here, no problem. So I will keep an extra, it's longer here, just because if I need to remove the air filter, so it's okay, I can remove it easily. So let's go with the first wire, second one, those are for the lights. No, sorry about that, let me put them through here. So let me start with this one here. First one, second one will follow. What's the cables? when those come behind. Just a matter to catch it now. I may use this one here. The last one. And that's it. No need to protect them, honestly, because those there is no electricity inside. You just have 12 volts when you are activating the turn signal. If no, you are protected with the fuse. I'm gonna install it here. So another update, the switch is installed. As I told you before, all the wires are connected. I put some protection for the wire under the seat. You see here, I protected the wires going from here. I still have to hide this wire. This wire should go to the right side. I will put it under. The right side is already done. You see here the right side went under my rack, and I decided to put it on the rack. So I did not put any hole here. I did not drill here because I don't want to keep my resale value. So let me activate the left side now. Check here, it's blinking, and if we go here, you can see it now working. So I prefer to put it here on the rack, so if I change my mind or one day those lights stop working, you know, it's are underwater, under rain, so, and I cannot find anything else from Amazon, so I have always the option to replace them completely. Now I have to install the other one here on the right side.